Myself, Moha Roy. I am the lecturer of Sri Ramakrishna Institute of Science and Technology. Today, my topic is organic architecture. An example of this topic is falling water, subject of contemporary architecture, and this is the last module of this lecture. The first slide show the elevation or the pictorial view of the falling tower. Falling tower situated is a dense forest area, Pennsylvania, and it is total nature surrounded by a rich nature plant, rocky soil, and the fountain, natural fountain, and it is also known as the musical building. The topic organic architectures are very simple, but it is refer designing and building structure as well as spaces that are balanced with their natural surrounding and are the tailored to the function they serve for their inhabitant. Organically, it is design structures seem to meld with the landscape to rise from it, and it is surrounding space give the birth to them. Now, I am going to discuss about the principle of organic architecture, and it was followed by the Frank Lloyd Wright architect. Wright principles of organic architecture are shelter. Building must serve to protect their inhabitants' safety and privacy. Number 2 is a space. Obviously, space is the most vital part of our house. Both interior and exterior building is much a part of its decor and aesthetics and maintain and as a furnishing. Nature. Inspiration should be drawn from the natural surrounding, not in imitation of them, but as a guides to selecting material, texture and the color. Peacefulness. The design should avoid the jarring contrast with the landscape while providing the inhabitant with a sense of openness, free of clutter, and offering a sense of the tranquility. Ornamentation. If ornamentation is to be used on the building, it must not appear as if it was a decorative, after though it must be an integral part of the structure, seamlessly joining of the overall form. Simplicity is the most common thing, but we often use in our building, and design must be clear with the uniform scheme. From this principle, architect Frank Lloyd Wright designed a beautiful house which is called the Falling Water, and it is built in 1936 to 1937, and location is Pennsylvania, United States. The next slide, I will try to show the plan of this beautiful building which stands on the rocky soil and a continuous spring with lots of water and good ringing sound flow below the parts of the building, and sectional view which is show how to develop a building with machinery. Obviously it is brick and the rubble machinery. Introduction. The building constructed over the 3 level sits on a log or the natural waterfall. Mesh compositions is horizontal through the southward complex, and the vertical axis is defined by the chimney which tower over the roof. The building grows from the inside out and extend according to the needs of its inhabitant. In this way, we can modify it as organic architecture. The construction is conceived as a living thing and can alter its form. Each level is marked by the wide projection in which produce the asymmetrically in various directions. In reality, there are the terraces limited by the smooth cornice plaster, creating the impression Wright has inspired by the Japanese architecture. An exterior of the house maintain and the intimate relationship with the surrounding nature. Although the architect decided to employ the natural material like wood, brick, rock, which is achieved and the impressive integration between the building and the forest with surrounding it. Here is the view, interior view from the building to the site. Pennsylvania has a deep forest, so the forests full of the deciduous tree remain almost completely untamed and interrupted only by the discreet pedestrian access, which is only way of reaching the houses. The plot on which the house ended up is also surrounded by a bears of river. The slide show the terrace plan. The two terraces completely surrounded by the nature, and the entire green are located from the building. Very soothing environment. The houses created in a nature, also in outside and its effect in the inside of the building, which is very important, is a concept. The design of the house is the clear example of naturalistic architecture, as all the decisions taken in the construction were alongside and integrations of the building with the countryside. It was intended that the work be converted into another natural element of the surrounding in full harmony and with the passing of the time. From the terrain of the site, we extracted the rock which is from the masonry of the lower part of the house facade, co-located to create the progression from the natural rock of the ground and cement of the upper part. The rest of the facade are cream color and contrasting with the surrounding green or the browns. Another contrasting elements of this house are the orthogonal form of the projections of wall, installing the house sense of architecture. Space, the interior falling water, find the room unique, distribution and location and finishes. Pass to that room of living room, largest public room, house which the splendid view from the wood and surrounded the house. On entering, we are faced by the music corner, whose etymologically known as the right as the sofa, and behind the music corner staircases of water, so called because it leads to down the small platform beside the river. To get down there, you must open the sliding glass of the screen. The steps of the staircases of water are suspended from the traction cables and attached to the first slab. Look out the interior of this room. It is so impressive. Another important thing was the structure. The majority of the house structure is made of the concrete with exposed column and beam, and forming the porticos and projections of the horizontal element, which is intended as the terrace, all made of concrete. Some wall of the vertical element which is define the space of houses as well as the floor. Some detail of the house can be also seen in the steel and other wood. The material used for the construction of this house were concrete, rough stone, local stone, wood and steel. Overall, the entire building was very near to connect the nature and give us a appeal of naturistic architecture, which is called the organic architecture. Thank you.